In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Lightroom photos the right way, whether you want to remove just one photo from Lightroom or delete multiple photos quickly without losing the original file on your computer. This is a really useful tutorial if your catalog is getting cluttered and you want to clean things up safely without accidentally deleting your actual image files. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, let's talk about the safest option, which is removing a photo from Lightroom only. This is the option you want when you no longer want the photo inside Lightroom, but you still want to keep the original file saved on your PC. To do that, open Lightroom and select the photo you want to remove. Once the photo is highlighted, press the Delete key on your keyboard. Lightroom will ask what you want to do next, and this is the important part. Choose Remove from Lightroom. When you select that option, the photo will disappear from Lightroom, but it will still remain on your computer. So the result is simple. It is removed from Lightroom, but the original file is still there on your PC. This is perfect if you want to organize your library without deleting the only copy of your image. Now let's move on to deleting multiple photos fast. If you have a group of photos you want to clear out, Lightroom makes that process much easier. Start by selecting multiple photos at once. You can hold Shift to select a range of photos, or hold Ctrl if you want to pick specific photos one by one. After your photos are selected, press Delete again. Lightroom will give you the same type of option, so choose the option that removes them from Lightroom if you want to keep the files on your computer. This is a great way to clean up duplicates, test shots, or images you no longer need in your Lightroom workspace without risking your original files. Just remember to pay attention to the prompt before confirming anything, because Lightroom can sometimes offer different delete choices depending on how your files are stored. If your goal is only to clean up the catalog, always choose the option that removes the photo from Lightroom instead of deleting it from the hard drive. That way, your original image stays safe and you don't lose anything important. This is especially helpful for photographers who import a lot of images and want to maintain a more organized editing workflow. So to recap, if you want to remove a single photo, select it, press Delete, and choose Remove from Lightroom. If you want to delete several photos quickly, select multiple images with Shift or Ctrl, press Delete, and choose the option that removes them from Lightroom while keeping the files on your computer. It's a simple process once you know the difference, and it can save you from accidentally deleting photos you still need. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more easy Lightroom tips and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.